something about you, you bring me here.
Hey loves, this is Sina Soul and I'm here to face the fans on MX24. Let's go.
Oh my God.
Feelings, I'm in my feelings. There is something about you, you bring me healing. Feelings, I'm in my feelings. It be something about you, you bring me healing. Oh, when I see, oh your body be my medicine. I'm addicted with the way that you hold me down. Oh yeah, I see. Oh your body be my medicine. I'm addicted with the way that you hold me down. Zumaya, nini zumaya, 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 zumaya, nini zumaya.
You know you find past me, girl, I see my days. I swear I lie to the heavens, girl, you be my taste. You be my weakness.
I think I'm really expressive when I'm performing on stage live. So I think I always want to let people leave with an experience, like forever. Know that when you come for a Sina show or a Sina concert, you remember that forever. Yes, that's. Maybe buy me a dog, a puppy or something. Yeah. Oh, I think a painting. Yeah, a fan painted me and brought it to me to my house. Yeah, I think that was really good. Definitely, I think I'll pick Feelings, my new song, because I'm not always in my feelings though, but I think I'm a very expressive, emotional person. So maybe my song Feelings. I think this has to be my performance with the legendary Namanwa of Wolomé. I was nervous from the moment I met her till the show was over. Oh my God. Oh my God. Imagine me being on stage with Namanwa in Amanziba. Nerves all over. That was great. Huh. Quite often. Yeah, quite often. I don't think I've intentionally used like, okay, I am this person, so I want something for free. But maybe people will probably, from their own hearts, give me stuff for free because they love my music or they love my work. That's it. I would never forget this in my entire life. So I went to a show, and on that show I was performing with Sarkodie. So right after I finished mine, he was going on stage to do his. And when I met him, I hugged him. But here's the thing, he was wearing a white shirt and I put makeup all over his shirt. Jesus Christ. So embarrassing. But yeah, I'll never forget that moment. Yeah. But he didn't say anything about it though. He was still calm. Like, oh, it's fine, don't worry. Big love, Kinsak. I mean, I'm an artist, so I feel like the system should work for us. The royalty system should work for us because, listen, that's how we make our money. That's how we eat. That's where we shoot our videos from. That's where we do anything. So I'm for the artists, and then honestly, everything must be done right. Yeah. I think it's whoever is watching. If you see that, I think everyone's perspective about revealing is different. Someone might think what I'm wearing is revealing. Someone might think it's not. So I think it's whoever is watching. If you think, I just think it's whoever's. I think it's a perspective thing, and I don't believe that women intentionally are trying to be. People should wear whatever they want to wear in their music videos, because music videos are like movies. You can actually take on a different character in the music video, and next minute you're a different person. You know. So yeah, that's my take on it.
Your love is like a drug in my system, baby. Oh, na, na, na.
So Feelings obviously was with Kiddy. Kiddy and I met at his place. He has a mini studio in his place, and then yeah, we recorded Feelings, and it was amazing. Like the moment we finished recording this song, we just knew that this is the song. This is the song. I think Kiddy and I have been working for a while now, and we've known each other from way back. So I wanted a song with him because, first of all, we have like a really good musical chemistry, and me and him have never really made a danceable song. It's either a ballad or some other genre. So I wanted to try something new with him. So I knew he would be the right person on it, because I also wanted the song to be both vocal and dancey, and I just knew he would be the one to pick.
I'm in my feelings. There is something about you. You bring me healing.
There was a scene where I had to climb a ladder to some part of the location that we're shooting. So I had to like literally rip off the wig and hold my dress, like carry like this and climb. I was so scared, but like I had to do it, you know. But no one knows that. But I think I might drop the BTS really soon, so you see what happened. Yeah. So Feelings, my new single, is off my upcoming EP. I'm not even pretty excited. I'm super excited about this EP because it's special. It's really special. So that is the next move after Feelings. I feel like you guys have some inside information, but I won't reveal it. I won't, but yes, definitely. But let's keep this as a surprise. Well, you know, back in the days, I used to be an athlete. I used to, run 100 meters, 200 meters, and I was really good. I was really good when I asked people in the Brie Girls and Beyonce's. So yeah, I used to be an athlete, and I used to play table tennis as well. Yeah. You know what, Gansi? Ocean Okpe. Well, yeah, but wait, I play table tennis as a hobby sometimes, but I mean, right now I'm just focusing on music. Wow, wait. Fall or miss the lyrics. Hey, falling is mad. It would go viral, but I think missing lyrics is a bit, you know what, missing lyrics. I can't fall. Oh, Jesus Christ, no.
Be something about you. You bring me healing.
Um,
When I see
nah, Ghana is sweet.
my medicine.
I have to be here.
I'm addicted with the way that you hold me down. Oh yeah, I just
In private,
oh your body be my medicine.
please.
I'm addicted with the way that you hold me down. Zumaya, nini zumaya, zumaya, nini zumaya, zumaya, nini zumaya, zumaya, nini zumaya,
Touch it. Why are you doing this? We've already done touches. Why are we doing this? I've already said touches, so forever.
You be my weakness and you know you make me crazy. Your love like a drug
Wow. Let's do kokeke.
system, baby. Oh, na, 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 na. I need to let you go.
Why? I feel like there's some ulterior motive behind it, but okay. You know what? Like I said, already touches, so kokeke.
Oh, your body be my medicine. Oh, I'm addicted.
Definitely terms.
Oh, what is it? Oh, your body be my
Dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Duduke. Feelings, I'm in my feelings. There is something about you, you bring me healing. Hey guys, this is Sina So, and I just faced the fans on MX24. Love you.